Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transition in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to add transition to your videos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option. Now add more than one video on your project. For now, I'll choose this one and this one. Click here to add it to your timeline. Now to add the transition, you can see option that says transition. Simply click on that symbol and now we can see different kind of transition we can choose from. For example, this one. But for now I will choose new option and click one of those. Now if we see our transition, it will look like that. And similarly, you can use multiple transitions in your videos to make it better. And just like that, we have added transition in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.